If you're looking for a reliable one-stop shop that offers exterior and interior maintenance and cleaning for your building, then RayAccess is the spot for you. I think it's about that time to see how they make the magic happen. Sergey, my man, what's up?
Hey Derek, great. Welcome to our job site.
This is a great job site. I mean, this is a beautiful view, and we are high up, man.
We always enjoy such wonderful views.
I want to know all about what you do here.
So we do special work for exterior maintenance for the buildings. We specialize in special access techniques. So we get safely to the areas which nobody can access otherwise. And we clean, we waterproof, we paint, and make sure this building stays healthy from the outside.
So the rope access actually makes things a lot more safer, right?
Absolutely. So actually, some people think when they see us working the ropes, they ask like, are you guys rock climbers? So I would say rope access is a very professional method. So rope access is actually a whole system. It requires highly trained and certified technician, right equipment which is supposed to be regularly inspected by qualified people, and the safety procedures which we need to follow.
I know you work here in LA County, but will you travel to other places to do work?
Yes, we travel sometimes to San Diego, San Francisco, and actually we were called to Las Vegas to do project next month.
What are some of the typical exterior problems that you deal with?
The building in Los Angeles, we have a lot of roads and the traffic around it and very busy streets. All these contaminants are settled on the surface, like on the windows, on the walls. So building needs to be cleaned at least once a year. We also deal with leaks coming in this rainy weather. We do visual inspection, we'll see what the problem is, and we'll come and reseal and waterproof the areas. And we also start doing painting.
I'm excited, Sergey, because you told me that you were going to let me actually work with the team.
Hey guys, we got Daryl ready for rope drop.
To get your building or house back in tip-top shape, be sure to check out Sergey and the team over at RayAccess. All right, I gotta get back to cleaning this window because I think I missed a spot.